cat, cat, rat. Shut up. Fat Shark presents Warhammer Vermintide. 5 heroes come together to face the Skaven. Brady Melee, Arager Combat, out of the Middle Ages into the next generation. 4-player co-op. Each character with individual abilities, play style, and weapons. Team up with 3 other gamers to take on the meanest enemies you've seen. Insane fast-paced action, not for the weak of God. For more information, visit Vermintide.com and follow us on Facebook via Vermintide. Warhammer Vermintide coming to Steam, Xbox One, and PlayStation